Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy, Chrissy Boy, back with another video. When the NBA season got suspended, the Knicks were 20-45. Let's finish off this season. Let's simulate this instead. Giannis wins MVP, Ja Rookie the Denshman 6-man of the year, AD 6 defensive player of the year, Bam Mason proved, Mike Budenholzer was the coach of the year, all NBA teams, all defensive teams, okay. First team wouldn't make the playoffs. The Lakers win the championship. LeBron is your finals MVP. Draft lottery. We have the 7th pick. Let's fire these guys. Signed all 3. NBA draft. Let's draft. Let's have a look. None of these trades are good. Obi Toppin. Vernon Carey and Killian Hayes. We'll sign all 3. Team player, don't bring anyone back. Qualifying, none of them. Free agency. Anthony Davis, big deal player, no trade clause. Number 1 option. Galo 2-year team. I think that's the signings will do. Announce the odds. Let's trade Dennis Smith Jr. and Ignas Brazdeikis. And let's see what we get. I think this is a good trade for us. Let's do this. They give us back. What about we take this guy off your hands and we'll give you a 24 second, 2 seconds, and the first. So we got Monte Morris. Do we have enough to sign Gallo in? Yes. Now let's sign Bobby Portis back on a 1-year deal. There we go. Come on, Bobby, sign with us. There we go, got him. Now We need to let's trade Julius Randle and Frank Ntilikina, and we can get I think Middleton looks pretty good, I guess. Yeah, let's sign Middleton. There we go. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Trade finder, let's trade finder for Jaylen Brown. Let's give up RJ Barrett. Bobby Portis and the first. So now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's trade Omri Caspi, Isaac Bonga, Kadeem Allen. There we go, that's a good trade. Done. Trade finder. Where are the Hornets? Devontae Graham. Why do they want so much? We'll give you Bruno Fernando. First. And a second. Okay, do you want 2 firsts? There we go, we've got Devontae Graham. So, we've improved it. Let's make assistant proficiency fits 3.5. Yeah, let's start in simming. We'll be back at the trade deadline. And the trade deadline, we're 36 and 10. This is a lineup we have been rocking with. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. I don't think we need to do any changes. So I'll see you at the end of the season. We finished the season with a 64 and 18 record. Luka Doncic, most valuable player. LaMelo Rookie of the Year, Dennis Schroeder, Sixth Man. Kawhi Depoy, Tony Bradley, most improved. Lloyd Pierce, Coach of the Year. All NBA teams. We had Anthony Davis, all rookie. All we had 80 on the defense. All rookie we had no one. Let's get into the playoffs. In the first round we are taking the Celtics, who have the normal team. They've added RJ, Bobby Portis. We traded them then. There we go. I think we'll sweep them. Let's go. Now we take on the Sixers, who have a terrible coach in Brett Brown. They have the same team. They've added Boucher, Marc Gasol, Justin Holiday. They have a decent team. Simulate current round. That's scary. We need to shorten the rotation. Simcast. Yeah, we get out of there. Anthony Davis took 40 and 17. And for them, Ben Simmons had 24. Game 7. We win convincingly. Middleton had 26. Tobias Harris had 26 for them. The Bucks. We have Bledsoe, Giannis, Julius Randle, Brook Lopez. Yeah, they pretty much have the same team. Simulate current round. We sweep them to take on the Timberwolves, who have LaMelo, D'Angelo, Jarrett Culver, James Johnson, Cat. They have a pretty decent team. Simulate current round. We're up 3-1. We're down. No, we're up 3-2. Let's get out of here with a win. 25 seconds. Let's hop in and see them celebrate. We're up by 20. Let's do this. We won. Anthony Davis is your finals MVP. Cat went off. We had a decent game. Well, that's why we won. We won the championship. Anthony Davis is your finals MVP. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.